Hello everyone. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to use the AI pricing feature in Liberty. This feature was designed to help you and your store employees save time and take the guesswork out of pricing your inventory. First, to access the AI pricing settings, open the Inventory module, then go to Setup, and then click on Options. From there, select the AI Pricing tab. Let's go over what each setting does. Just a quick note. If you haven't spoken with our sales team about AI pricing, it's important to do this. Just call 1-800-785-4800 and ask about AI pricing. The option to adjust for item fees allows the system to subtract any fees from the suggested price. For example, if the suggested price is $25 and the item has a $5 fee, Liberty will price the item at $20, so the final price still comes out to $25. Suggested price differential lets you adjust pricing based on your local market. If you're in a high-cost area, you may want to increase the differential. Lower-cost areas may want to reduce it. A setting of 100% uses the exact AI suggestion. Rounding suggested prices to the nearest dollar will make the final prices cleaner and easier for customers. Including the item title and price checks will make the AI use not just the category and attributes, but also the title when generating a price. Now let's talk about how to use the tool when adding inventory. Start by opening the account list and searching for the account by name or number. Once selected, click the Add Inventory button. Choose a category and a brand. These two are required. If either one is missing, you'll get an error message. You can also select other attributes and fill in the description. The more details you provide, the more accurate the price suggestion will be. If there's a specific model, definitely include that in the description. In fact, you should include more information in the description about the item that is not described by the attributes. Once everything is filled out, click the AI Pricing button. You'll see a suggested MSRP, along with high, average, and low resale prices. Clicking one of these will automatically fill in the price field. You can also click more information for a disclaimer about how the pricing was generated. Make sure the price is filled in after you select it. If you change any of the attributes, the AI will automatically perform a new search. For example, changing the color from green to beige might result in higher price suggestions. If you ever see a message that says, "Monthly usage exceeded," that means your monthly lookup limit has been reached. That's the overview of AI pricing. With these tools, you can price items quickly, consistently, and more accurately.